with this thing is dirty, man. I took the warranty sticker off right here. I'm gonna start with this side. I think around here is where you can pick at it. See that coming off there? Slowly keep pushing it off there. And this is how you take off the side panel. First time doing this. I'm gonna do this where you can see it better. I can see it better here as well. There we go. Oh, look at that. Look at all that stuff in there. We're gonna clean that out, boys. We're gonna clean that. Apparently this side does not come off, but I can take the back off. Alright, so there's this thing connected right here. You have to kind of pull down, and then this knot, there we go. Once you get that, then I can start working. Alright, yeah, definitely get something better than a flathead, but that worked. Now you can see where those notches are there. And now we're going to make our way on this side. I got all the top part off. Ribbon here. Alright, well there she is. It's kind of hard to show you that live. That was off. So now you have your Xbox, and look at that fan. Sure. I could. 7. I'll just go ahead and take these screws off of here so I can get this off. I'll probably need to take this light bar thing off too. getting it off. Now we get that last one. Now that we get that off, it shoots you just like a box. Then we have this connector here. Plate. Now you can really clean in there. So there's the CD-ROM, here's the CPU fan, and then there's your hard drive. You can technically replace. There's a 500 gigabyte hard drive. I could probably just throw, upgrade, mod it, do whatever. I have no need to take the rest of this apart. Let's see. Yeah, this just comes right off. And I'm gonna start cleaning all of this. I'm gonna leave this on. Just let me remember it goes like that. What's holding this on? Yeah, it just slips right in there. Alright guys, if this helped you out, please like and subscribe. This video is just on how to open up the Xbox for whatever reason. I will post another video on how to put everything back together just in case. Again, please like and subscribe, and hopefully this has been able to help you out.